What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing overview of a new mechanical keyboard that I got. Now this is not something that I plan on using all the time. I kind of wanted to try it out because I have a KBD 65% custom mechanical keyboard. This is the Ducky Varmilo MK. This is their Pro Flare Star. This is a wireless keyboard. That's one reason why I wanted to give it a try out, mainly because it's wireless, and that's not something that I'm actually used to, is a wireless, somewhat decent built mechanical keyboards. Ducky makes really good mechanical keyboards, so I wanted to give it a try. Probably mainly use this with my laptop because I've been using that more, and it is not the best keyboard. Probably need a mouse for that too, especially when you're video photo editing. It's a ThinkPad, it's not the greatest out there. So you'll get some standard stuff here. They usually always give you a 5% off. I ordered this from mechanicalkeyboards.com, so they usually always give you a 5% off if you order something from them, so that's nice. And it came pretty quick. There in Tennessee, and I'm in Ohio, so it didn't take very long to get here. What you get, so you get another space bar here. This is a 65% keyboard, PBD sub-dyed keycaps, which are really good. Basically means they'll last forever. And I'm not really sure how I feel about the style of the keyboard, but it was the only mechanical keyboard that Ducky and Varmilo actually make, so I wanted to give it a try. So you get some extra keycaps here, which is nice. Something they're pretty good at doing is making sure you get stuff like that. So it looks like the packaging, pretty good. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it. We'll see how it goes. Once you use a standard custom built mechanical keyboard, I have Zilio version 2 67 gram switches, which are really nice. This actually has Cherry MX Brown, which I know people probably aren't the hugest fan of, but there's not a whole lot of options out there. They really just carry Cherry MX and then some other standard box style switches that I'm not familiar with. So going with browns or blues are my two personal choices. I usually do the browns mainly because we have 14-month-old right now, so the quieter the better. Alright, so packaging. So it is actually nice. So this is a mechanicalkeyboards.com, Varmilo, and a Ducky kind of custom order type of system. This is made in China, which is fine. Not something I'm really worried about. So open up the box. You always get a keycap puller there, which is a good feature. I don't anticipate you actually taking these keys off. I do not believe you can actually remove any of the keys. I'm pretty sure they're soldered on. So I have no idea what this is here. Usually sometimes you will get some type of extra key there. And so wireless option, I believe it is Bluetooth, and it looks like you can also connect it via this dongle. Actually, you may have to use this dongle to set it up. I don't know, we'll test that out later when I get a full review of it up. The one negative I found, this keyboard was $155. The one negative I have found in their keyboards is usually the standard cable you get is not very good with it. So this is standard. This is USB-C to USB-A, which is what most all standard keyboards that Ducky produces or Varmilo come with. It's not the best cable. It's not braided or anything like that, but you could get something different down the line. So now actually looking at the keyboard, you always get a cover for it. That's pretty standard affair. And then it looks like we'll get some type of kind of user guide here. I just noticed that so you get some type of custom or it looks like some type of owner's manual or warranty information. If you want the manual for these on how to control them, I believe this is one's LED white backlit. All their manuals are online, so you have to check that out there. So packaging is pretty good. The box is nice, so it's a nice box material. One thing I will notice is that you get a lot of plastic with this, which I'm not a fan of. I like how companies are starting to go with kind of more environmental friendly stuff. And here's the actual look of the keyboard. So it looks pretty nice. I really like the keycaps. Not really sure what I think of the color. I do not like that. I just don't like the styling of that key, but it looks like I could probably put another caps lock there. It's not an enter, but overall it looks nice. It feels nice. It is plastic, so it's not anything that's any type of metal construction, but it feels really solid. There's not a lot of flex on the board. Get you an idea of what the... So it sounds pretty good for Cherry MX Browns. It is not lubed or anything like that. I do not believe they do that because this is more of a mass-produced, limited edition board. I got your USB-C connector there. They always put it on that side, so just be aware of that. And then you always got really good rubber feet with the Varmilo Ducky keyboard. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not going to move anywhere on a desk. I've had really good luck with theirs. And then you get your standard feet here. There does not seem to be any type of 2 setup. So you're either going to be at that or it's going to be flat. Sometimes they have like a 2 setup where there's 2 different angles you can choose here. So that's it. That's everything you get. It feels nice. It feels like good quality plastic. I do like how everything here is already etched on. It feels like it's going to be pretty reliable when it comes to withstanding. You could probably keep this for 10 years and not have any problems with it, so I like that. So get everything you need. These are the custom. I don't know how much I like this. I may put that there. But actually it kind of looks nice how it is. I'll probably actually leave it exactly how it is. I will get a more in-depth review of this up later on as I go and kind of get an idea of the Bluetooth and how that works, because I have never seen any type of Ducky keyboard or Ducky Varmilo keyboard where you actually get any type of wireless connectivity. So we'll see how that goes. I'm really curious to see what it's like. Probably get a comparison of this and my custom KBD Fans keyboard, just to get you an idea of what 150 gets you versus 300, and go through that there. So I'll get a more long-term review of this up as I go. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to leave them below and I will get back to you. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. mechanicalkeyboards.com, they have great shipping, great customer service. So if you want to order this, I believe that's the only US authorized distributor of Ducky. So that's it. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever it is out there, and I'll see you guys next time.